Hello, I'm Roland. I'm going to explain you how to make an effort prediction report for any possible project you face. First, you make a copy of the project report template. I already pre-filled some features in the template. The first column here shows a special ID for each feature. In my case, it's a use case, and I call it use case 4, and the title of the use case is download a file. The next use case is change communication preferences. The next is test communication preferences. The next is select patient. And the last is query a patient. I can fill here in any other use case or features. For example, a quality attribute 1. I call it real time performance, and I fill in the best case, the most likely case, and the worst case for this feature. Now, the standard deviation of the 90% confidence interval, that is the chance that 1 out of 10 times I get a feature wrong, is calculated. These are the standard deviations. And also the variance is calculated. One interesting column is the expected case. This resembles the likely case, but it is a weighted mean or average between best, likely and worst case. This is adapted because the projects follow a beta distribution, and some heuristics shows that certain weights, 3 for the likely case and 2 for the worst case, has to be given in order to meet the expected case of a feature prediction. You can check explanation why this calculation was made in this approach in my paper, The Effort Prediction Report, the Methodological Approach. The sum of the expected effort of all features is 22 ideal person days with a standard deviation of 7.2 person days. With the next sheet, you can fine-tune a level of confidence by which you want to be sure that your project is finished. So, for example, the 50% level of confidence is exactly the effort average that we predicted, 22 days. If you want to be really sure that you meet the project in time, you need the 98% confidence level, and this amounts to 37 ideal person days. Note that the measure is still ideal person days, so if you have other things to do in this time, you will not meet the deadline. So it might be good to have a calibration or a factor that tells you how much you can work at this project within a normal work week. But finally, we can calculate a value of the project easily by multiplying the expected effort given the confidence level with the daily wage you are expecting. Read the methodological approach for further information. Go to my blog and post a comment or ask a question, and enjoy the predictability of efforts with my new system. Thank you, Roland Kofler.